Hi everybody, I'm Petrea.
And I'm Natalie, and we're social distancing sisters here to tell you today about the 4 essential oils that are in the Family Peace Center kit and different ways to use them.
Now there's lots of uses, and essential oils are super versatile, but we're going to cover a few of the ways that you can use them. First up is AromaTouch. Natalie, what do you use AromaTouch for?
I love to put a drop or two in the bathtub with some Epsom salts. It helps me to relax after a long, hard day.
I like to take this in some coconut oil and rub it straight into those muscles and joints that are feeling like they just need a little bit of relief, especially after working out in the yard, raking all of these leaves. If I'm sitting at the desk all day, even massaging a few drops into the back of my neck. I love this blend. It smells super fresh, super clean, so sometimes I'll even throw it right into the diffuser. We use this oil aromatically and topically, but this is the one oil in the mini kit that we don't use internally. Next up, we have lavender. Now, lavender is a great multi-purpose oil. Natalie, what do you use lavender for?
I love lavender to help with promoting good sleep at night. I put it on the bottoms of my feet and diffuse it, and it helps me to rest.
Nice. That is a really popular use, making a pillow spray or putting it on topically, putting it in the diffuser for restful sleep. I love to use lavender for a lot of things, like when I have an occasional skin irritation from going out in the woods and something gets me, or if I'm in the kitchen and my skin gets irritated while I'm cooking. This is a great oil to have on hand. It really promotes healthy skin and can be very soothing to skin. So I love lavender for soothing the mind and soothing skin. As Natalie shared earlier, she also puts it in chocolate, right? Next up, we have wild orange. Wild orange is wonderful and is a citrus oil. Natalie, how do you use wild orange?
Oh, citrus is so uplifting to me. I love to use it in the diffuser to wake up in the morning and get ready for my day. I also love it in a drop in my bottle of water throughout the day to keep me going.
Now, wild orange is a citrus oil which actually has a lot of cleansing properties, so you could even make your own multi-purpose cleaner using citrus oils. We'll share that recipe in our Make and Take class. Wild orange is the oil of abundance, so when you feel like you don't have enough time, energy, money, resources, whatever it is, wild orange reminds you that you are enough and you have enough. Next up, we have Natalie's absolute favorite oil, peppermint. How do you use peppermint, Natalie?
A million different ways. My favorite thing is just to put a drop on my tongue, and it's like a breath freshener. And especially now that we're all wearing masks and some of us are having problems with mask breath, I just love it for that.
Oh, speaking of masks, we're going to share a mask spray on our Make and Take class.
Ooh,
too.
Exciting.
So one of the other things that I like to do with peppermint is to put it in the diffuser because it helps me stay alert and focused. I can even put a drop in my hands to keep me awake if I'm driving late at night. What's another way you can use peppermint, Natalie?
Oh gosh, I have a million different uses for peppermint. It helps a lot in the summer if I've gotten too much sun and I need to feel cool. In a spray, it's so soothing to my skin.
It's also great for respiratory support, and it can ease muscle tension as well. These oils are all available, wild orange, lavender, peppermint, and AromaTouch in 5 milliliter bottles, and they're in the Peace Center kit, the Family Peace Center kit. Please support us, and please support the Family Peace Center by donating, by clicking the link in this video to get your kit today.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good one.